Are you feeling overwhelmed by thick textbooks, dense research papers, and endless lecture notes? You have to learn it all, but there's never enough time to read every single page. Stop drowning in PDFs. It's time to study smarter. Today, I'm showing you how to use Google's game-changing AI tool, NotebookLM, to turn days of reading into minutes of actual learning. Unlike other AI tools that guess answers from the entire internet, NotebookLM is completely grounded in your specific documents. It becomes an expert only on the materials you give it, which means no more generic answers and no more hallucinations. To get started, go to notebooklm.google and create a new notebook. This is your dedicated study space. Now feed the beast. You can upload PDFs from your computer, import files directly from Google Drive, or even paste in website URLs from your syllabus. As soon as your sources load, NotebookLM generates a briefing doc. This is an instant, high-level summary of everything you just uploaded. It identifies the key themes and main ideas before you even type a single question. But the real power is the chat. Treat NotebookLM like the smartest person in your study group who actually did all the reading. Ask it to compare different chapters, explain a complex theory, or summarize a specific section. Whenever the AI answers, notice the small citation numbers. If you click one, the original document pops up on the left and shows you exactly where the information came from. This is a lifesaver for fact-checking and finding quotes for your essays. Now for the feature that is changing everything, the audio overview. If you are an auditory learner, this is for you. With one click, NotebookLM generates a realistic two-host podcast deep diving into your specific materials. You can listen to your textbooks while you're at the gym or on your commute to class. Finally, as you chat with the AI, you can pin the best answers to your notes. This allows you to build a custom study guide or an essay outline in real time. NotebookLM handles the heavy lifting of information retrieval so you can focus on actually understanding the concepts. Try it out for your next big test and let me know how it goes in the comments. If this helped you study smarter, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI.